everyone, it's Jen from Modern Tech. And before we dive in, I want to give a real shout out to someone who deserves it. Creator Sabrina Ramonov put together this incredible breakdown: 12 ways to make money with Claude AI. And it's one of the most generous, well mapped pieces of AI content I've come across. On top of that, Sabrina is the founder of Blotato, a platform helping creators and small businesses automate their content. So she's not just teaching this stuff, she's building it. Her mission is to teach 10 million people AI for free, and with over 235,000 subscribers already learning from her, she's well on her way. That kind of openness is rare in this space, and we respect her so much for it. You can find her on YouTube at Sabrina_Ramonov. Go check out her work because she's the real deal. It was so good I had to share it with you, with a little modern tech spin on it, of course. Let's break it down. Every week I'm asked, Jen, how can I make money with Claude AI? This handout is for all of you, and I hope it sparks your creativity and gets your ideas flowing. Number 1, coach busy professionals one-on-one to build reusable Claude skills. Example, a marketing director pays you $200 an hour to build her a custom prompt library that cuts her report writing time in half. 2, train entire teams inside companies to save 15 plus hours a week. Example, you run a 2-hour workshop for a 20-person sales team, teaching them to use Claude for call summaries and follow-ups. Each rep saves an hour a day. 3, sell a course to creators who want to grow on Autopilot. Example, a $97 mini course that teaches YouTubers how to batch script a month's worth of videos with Claude in one sitting. 4, consult for local businesses and find 3 to 5 places AI cuts their costs. Example, you walk into a dental office, show them how Claude can draft patient follow-up texts and save the front desk hours every week. 5, get paid for AI and SaaS tools to demo them to your audience. Example, a startup pays you $500 to record a 10-minute walkthrough of their Claude-powered tool for your subscribers. 6, run a paid community for accountability and weekly skills. Example, a $29 a month group where members get a new Claude workflow every Friday plus live Q&A. 7, get booked for paid workshops at non-technical companies. Example, a law firm pays you $1,500 for a half-day session teaching paralegals how to use Claude for document review. 8, start a social media agency that turns one idea into 30 days of posts. Example, a client hands you one blog post, Claude and Make.com turn it into a month of platform-ready content, and you charge $800 a month per client. 9, run an AEO agency so businesses show up in Google and AI search. Example, you optimize a local plumber's content so ChatGPT and Google's AI overviews start recommending his business by name. 10, be the vibe code agency that finishes founders' half-built apps. Example, a founder has a half-finished no-code app. You use Claude Code to finish the back end and launch it for $3,000 to $5,000. 11, build an automation agency for service businesses. Intake, follow-ups, admin, all hands off. Example, you build a Claude and Make.com system for a med spa that handles intake forms, reminders, and review requests automatically. 12, launch your own app that replaces one painful manual workflow. Example, a simple Claude-powered tool that turns long YouTube transcripts into ready-to-post show notes. Sold for $9 a month to other creators. Okay, here's my take. The real money isn't in doing these by hand. It's in automating them. When you run Claude through Make.com, the work happens while you sleep. That's exactly what I do. So pick one path, build the system once, and let it scale. That, my friends, is the beauty of automation. Thank you for joining me. I'm Jennifer from Modern Tech. I focus on one of these tech tips each week. Please be sure to share this handout, which you can download for free, with another person so we can all empower one another to learn tech workflows. Be sure to catch our podcast, The Art of Modern Tech, every Monday at 8 p.m., hosted by Anita and I. Also, check out our sleep series, Modern Tech After Dark Sleep Series, which is perfect for calming an overwhelmed, active mind. Follow Modern Tech so you never miss an episode. As always, thank you to our viewers. We couldn't do this without your support. Remember, Let's all help one another learn the latest tech coming out, and let's tech today for the trends of tomorrow for a future we have yet to imagine. Have a good evening.